Are you constantly catching colds? Do you have lots of tummy troubles like frequent diarrhea, gas, or constipation? Are your wounds slow to heal? Do you have frequent infections? Or do you feel tired all the time? If you have this type of symptoms, then it is a clear indication that your immune system is too weak. So don't worry. Our mission is to make you healthy. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what immune system is. Immune system is called the defense system of our body. As there are many defense forces like police, BSF, NSG or reserve forces to defend our country, to protect our country from internal as well as external enemies, like that our immune system defends or protect our body from various diseases and infections. When any virus, bacteria or fungus attacks our body, then this system fight against it and protect our body. To the extent our immune system will be stronger, to that extent we will be healthier and stronger. Before going to the point, to naturally boost our immune system, we must know why our immune system or immunity gets weaker. There can be many causes of low immunity. Number 1, smoking. Number 2, drinking alcohol most of the time. Number 3, poor nutrition. Number 4, HIV, which causes AIDS. It is an acquired viral infection that destroys important white blood cells and weakens the immune system. Number 5, as we grow older, our immune system gets weaker. Number 6, too much stress, anxiety, depression weakens our immunity. Then come to the most important part of this video, that is how to naturally boost or improve our immune system. Tip number 1, have a sound sleep. We all know that our body gets repaired during sleep. But there something great happens when you take sound sleep. When we sleep, our body prepares T cells, which is a type of immune cell. So there is a close relation between sleep and immune system. That's why we must take sound sleep every day without any disturbances. Number 2, do exercise regularly. When you do regular exercise, white blood cells become active, and white blood cells are very important for immunity. That's why we must do regular exercise every day. It can be yoga, gym, running, cycling, etc. Because it strengthens our body as well as immune system. Tip number 3, manage stress effectively. Various studies have proved that so much stress is not good for our body as well as our mind. If it is not good for our body, then how it can be good for our immune system? High stress makes the immunity so weak to fight against any microbes. Stress decreases the ability of immunity. So if you want to stay healthy and develop your immune system, then manage your stress effectively. Tip number 4, give up smoking. If you are someone who smokes every day, then there is a greater possibility that your immune system is too weak, because smoking affects our lungs as well as immune system badly. If you want to boost your immunity, then you have to give up smoking forever. Then tip number 5, keep your body always hydrated. It is very essential to make our body hydrated to stay healthy and to boost our immunity, because water helps oxygen to reach all the cells of the body so that they can function better. Water also removes toxins from our body. Ultimately, it helps to protect our immune system from negative impacts of toxins. That's why always keep your body hydrated by drinking sufficient water. Tip number 6, eat more vegetables, fruits and nuts. These foods are very rich in nutrients and antioxidant properties. In addition to that, fiber is also very beneficial for our body as well as strong immunity. So, as much as possible, we must include fruit, vegetables, and grains, nuts, etc. to our diet. Tip number 7, take sun bath sometimes every day. Sunlight is very essential to our body, so we must take sun bath for a while every day. It can be in the morning or in the afternoon. It also improves our immunities in our body. So spend sometimes in the sunlight. Tip number 8. Take Indian gooseberries and oranges every day. Indian gooseberries and oranges are very rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is also an immunity booster. So we must take Indian gooseberries and oranges to improve our immune system. It is also recommended by Ayurveda. Tip number 9. Add ginger and garlic to your diet. Garlic and ginger as the natural medicine to improve our immunity. Ginger, due to its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, can boost immune system. Similarly, garlic has been used as an antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal agent. So it can destroy the viruses and other microorganisms. In this way, it boosts immune systems. Finally, the tip number 10, that is maintain personal hygiene. It is very important to maintain personal hygiene. Hygiene helps you to stay protected from any microorganism. You can be saved from many diseases by maintaining personal hygiene. Wash your hands with regular interval. Clean your room and your surroundings. These were the very simple and effective ways to naturally boost your immunity. Just implement those ways in your life and you will see diseases and infections will stay away from you. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and share it with your friends, relatives and family members. And if you are new on this channel, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. So finally, thanks for watching.